Baking a cake is not just a culinary task, it's an art that combines science, creativity, and a dash of love. Whether you're a novice in the kitchen or an experienced baker, creating the perfect cake involves a mix of precision and personal flair. In this article, we'll take you through the essential steps to make a delicious and visually appealing cake that will have your friends and family coming back for more. Ingredients. Before you start baking, gather all your ingredients. Basic cake ingredients include flour, sugar, eggs, butter, baking powder, and vanilla extract. Depending on the type of cake you're making, you might also need ingredients like cocoa powder, fruits, or nuts. Make sure your ingredients are fresh, and always measure accurately for the best results. Equipment. Having the right tools is crucial for successful cake baking. Invest in quality measuring cups, mixing bowls, an electric mixer, and cake pans. If you're feeling adventurous, consider adding specialty items like a cake leveler or a piping bag to enhance your cake decorating skills. Don't forget parchment paper to line your pans for easy cake removal. The basic steps. Preheat your oven. Before you start mixing ingredients, preheat your oven to the temperature specified in your recipe. This ensures even baking and a perfectly risen cake. Prepare your pans. Grease and flour your cake pans or use parchment paper to prevent sticking. This step is crucial for easy cake removal and presentation. Mix dry ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and salt, to ensure even distribution. This step prevents clumps in your batter. Cream butter and sugar. Use an electric mixer to cream together softened butter and sugar until light and fluffy. This process incorporates air into the mixture, resulting in a lighter, fluffier cake. Add eggs and flavorings. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Incorporate vanilla extract or other flavorings at this stage. Alternate dry and wet ingredients. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, alternating with the addition of liquids, milk or buttermilk. Mix until just combined, being careful not to overmix, as this can lead to a dense cake. Pour and bake. Pour the batter into your prepared pans and smooth the tops. Bake in the preheated oven for the time specified in your recipe, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Cool and frost. Allow your cakes to cool completely before removing them from the pans. Once cooled, frost your cake with your favorite frosting or icing. This is where you can get creative with colors, textures, and designs. Tips for success. Room temperature ingredients. Using room temperature eggs, butter, and other dairy ingredients ensures a smoother batter and better incorporation of flavors. Precision in measurement. Accurate measuring of ingredients is crucial in baking. Invest in a good set of measuring cups and spoons. Patience is key. allow your cake to cool completely before frosting. Rushing this step can lead to a melted or runny frosting. Experiment with flavors. Once you've mastered the basic cake, don't be afraid to experiment with flavors. Add citrus zest, spices, or extracts to create a unique and personalized cake. Baking a cake is a rewarding experience that allows you to showcase your culinary skills and creativity. By following these steps and tips, you'll be well on your way to mastering the art of cake making. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't flawless. With each cake you bake, you'll gain more confidence and discover the joy that comes from creating delicious treats for yourself and your loved ones. So, roll up your sleeves, preheat that oven, and let the baking adventure begin.